Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if many of the panel beatings can see. Pan on the screen. Social media influencer Markie Markland has finally bonded out of jail for the cost of 25,000 US dollars. As you know, he's been in lockup since December 29th. So that's roughly like 30 days, 1 month. Listen, man, I say, they charged him for, trafficking, people for actual servitude. Listen, man, I say, basically PIMP, pimping thing. You know what I mean? There's at least 2 victims cooperating with the police. One of them is one white girl. I will not talk about the white girl that you put up your nose. You see, man, I say, Markie, oh, yeah, a traffic people, white people, them daughter, You see, man, I say, and when the system see them thing there, it's not going to be a good look because how dare this, you know, I deal with the snow bunny them. You see, man, I say, but nevertheless, no, let me know what kind of charges is blessed pan Markie. It's similar to Diddy. You know what I mean? The only thing with Markie case is not involve, bringing, people across state lines. You know what I mean? Because then it will be a federal offense. Even though these are still indictment, we really not too much of the offense. But yeah, once it cross state lines, the feds come in. Obviously, the feds arrested him at the airport because them have the jurisdiction and things. But time will tell. You know what I mean? A lot of people say it's not that serious of a charge because of the $25,000 bond. But you have to keep in mind, Diddy, similar charge, and he's doing years behind prison. Putting out a comment section where you think about that, because just like with Diddy case, Markie case is a RICO, but just on a state level. You know what I mean? As you know, Markie business partner has been arrested and he is currently in prison right now. You see what I'm saying? That's why Markie is about continuing the operation. You see what I'm saying? No, he is the boss out here while him brethren in a prison. So that's where the RICO thing coming. You know what I mean? They've been investigating Markie since 2023, and now we're in 2026. So that's 3 years. You know what I mean? 365 days times 3. You know what I mean? That's a whole heap of time for investigate people. They're going to want to do some type of pony sale. Listen, so them probably order one snow bunny from Markie. Markie send them, and boom bam, the police just document Markie sell them pony at this state. See, but I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And the wiretapping, right? The wiretapping, right? All of these people, them are sure about on TikTok and IG. You know what I mean? The other chopper, them, I say, so you don't know the thing said he's facing 10 to 20 years in prison. So when Babylon say, if he can help me with some other case different from your own, tell the judge, you cooperated and you just need a probation. You see what I say? But he definitely need a good lawyer, so we'll see if he gets one. But in the meantime, just again a quick update. He has bonded out of the Fulton County Jail. You see what I say? Anyway, people, do the right thing and follow the king. Because we're not going along this road any longer, you see me. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.